Now we'll discuss a clinical case about pneumonia. 66 years old male with 4 days of dry cough progressing to sputum, chills, fever, general discomfort, denies shortness of breath, but admits he breathes a little faster than normal. The patient's story that he felt a severe chest pain after a cough episode when he was on his way to the health center. Denies swelling of the legs, orthopnea or chest pain on the left side, and denies gastrointestinal symptoms. Background, HGA and hypercholesterolemia. We will analyze in the clinical case the application of the types of sentences. We have 4 types of sentences: simple sentences, compound sentences, complex sentences, compound complex sentences. Let's look at the following example. This sentence contains 2 independent clauses separated with comma and coordinating conjunctions. Bang boys. This sentence is a compound sentences. Let's look at the following example. The sentences contains a dependent clause and an independent clause. The dependent clause headed by a subordinating conjunction. This is a complex sentences. Abbreviations allow rapid communication between health personnel regarding clinical management of the patient. They are used in clinical history and medical process. We can see one example of compound complex sentences. This sentences contains 2 independent clauses joined to 1 or 2 dependent clauses. When pneumonia is suspected is a dependent clause. The gold standard of diagnosis is chest X-ray with AP and lateral projection. This is an independent clause in the history of the patient's current disease. A medication order is written directions providing by a prescribing practitioner for a specific medication to be administered to an individual. First we'll write the patient's name, then age and directions. The doctor will indicate the drug, dose, scheduling route of taking the drug, and finally you will sign the prescription and place the date. Open and closed questions. Open questions require an answer with more depth and a lengthier response. Open questions begin with such as, what, why, how. Closed questions can be answered with either a single word or a short phrase. How they give you facts. They are easy to answer. They are quick. A paragraph is a variety of sentences that represent single idea, is effective when there are 2 or more secondary ideas that support the main ideas. Steps to writing a paragraph: decide the topic, develop a topic sentences, demonstrate your point, give your paragraph meaning, and conclude. We have paragraph argumentative, conceptual, descriptive, expository and narrative. Remember, we start with the introduction, then the body sentences, finally add the